Great day, everyone. I am Rafael Estrada from BSIT 1.3. So, today, I will show you my Bridgeport portfolio in academic communication. So, which is here. I'm sorry. To, yeah. So, this is my academic communication portfolio. So, in the next slide, you will see the table of content. So, this table of content present all my activities since week 1 to week 9. Also, it is include the reflection of it. So the next slide is AISA. So what is AISA? This my AISA present how is it to hack a Philippine bank system in these Philippines. Yes. So this paper we need to evaluate and check all the error that we need to improve. So moreover, we need to read and critically evaluate it or use the critical thinking skills for more improvements. Also, while I'm reading it, using AI is not safe. Why? It is prone to plagiarism and bias. So the next slide is the paraphrasing. So the paraphrasing in my AI essay, it's included so many activities that we need to do. But this activity has a big impact in my writing skill because I learned that when we need to paraphrase. So it is 40 words above. Also, I use change of structure and to paraphrase the sentences. So next slide or next activity is week 1 activity. This activity is just for assessment to check our writing skills. So this writing skills, so where we need to improve. Uh, in just like in week 2. In week 2, it shows just our reading comprehension and how we recall a story. Also, it shows our writing skills. So next slide is my vision board. So in my vision board, the context of the vision board activity is what our future professional job is. So it also indicate the impact of academic communication in the future jobs. So, but in my in my visual board, it is not just present of just a communication, but how I can become successful. It's just like a path, step by step, so to be successful using my knowledge in academic communication. Yes, and next slide is the group activity. In the group activity, of course, I become the leader, and of this group, and uh, with Miss give us task to discuss the importance of structure of pyramid in essay writing. We have a different idea in our group of each members, but we have the same thoughts, or so we use our own understanding and stock knowledge about this lesson. So and we successfully present it with a clear and best idea. Lastly, my reflection in academic communication. So you will see my reflection. So over the past 9 weeks, learning academic communication has had a significant impact on uh, how I become a good communicator and writer. Lastly, my ending slide. So thank you very much for listening.